Hey guys, it's Ripley Sartain with Wisconsin Wonder Garden. I just wanted to catch up with y'all because it's been a little bit since I posted a video because we've been so busy coming towards the end of summer here. We've been going on a couple of different trips, and then I was also unfortunately out of commission due to surgery for a couple of weeks, so that's been weighing in on everything as well. Sterling is growing up and needing more and more attention, which is great, and I love it. It's so cool to be raising my first kid. He is such a blessing, and I absolutely love spending all the time I can with him. So we just have a lot of stuff going on. But some of you might know we're very close to 7,000 subscribers, and that means I'm gonna do another succulent giveaway. 2 lucky viewers will be winning some succulents. All you have to do is comment in the section down below. Once we hit 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick 2 comments, and then those people will be sent out succulents just like we have in the past. So just comment in the section down below anything you would like. It doesn't matter to me. Just leave a comment and you might be picked. Moving on, I want to let you guys know that there are a lot of videos up and coming on the channel. We're always doing something around the garden, the yard, the landscaping projects. Gardening is an endless process, and you guys know that. So be looking forward to new videos. Upcoming this next week, we should see an update on our hydroponic center, which we're propagating many succulents in, and I'm about to throw in some more in there as well. And then we have a few other plants that I've not yet propagated in the house, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that as I've done it before in the past, but I just haven't broadcasted it to you, and I'm sure there are a few plants that you guys will be interested in. I hope you're all having a great Labor Day weekend with your friends and family. And as always, happy gardening. Take care.